happy 18th birthday. Now you're catching up. Keep running the race with a smile on your face. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Yan, happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. Anak, continue your good achievement. Happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
Hi Jillian, this is your Auntie Gemma. Keep up the good work. We're so proud of you.
Cheers!
Happy birthday, Jillian. Times really fly fast. You are now 18. You have grown into a beautiful young woman. You have done so well in your life. I am very proud of you. I am so very happy and grateful that God gave you to me, together with your two brothers, Jeric and J-Boy, as my grandchildren. I love you so much, anak. Follow your dreams. Nandito lang ako na sumusuporta sa iyo ako. I wish you all the best in life. God bless you always. And happy birthday again. Have fun and enjoy your day. I love you. I love you, ako. God bless you. Bye-bye. Enjoy, anak ko.